So today guys, I want to try my luck, if I have a good luck or a bad luck. So let me try to spin here to PK. So let's check PK or PK. Uh-huh. Let's back. We have another one here. Let's check. But it's your luck, so you can try and so let's try now. Let's spin guys, let's go. I think it's a center back 70 something of Real Sociedad or Real, yeah, Real something guys, is coming 70 something 78 78 center back, yeah, I guess, and I get 78 Real Sociedad. 75. Oh, that's my prediction. I have a bad luck. Let's back. I want to spin to George Best here. I want to try George Best. So let's back. Let's back guys to try George Best. Let's try George Best. Here guys, Man United. Let's try. George Best. Let's try 100 coins. Let's try guys. Shevchenko, Michel. Oh, we have here Michel. Let's spin guys. At least if I can get best of Michel, I will enjoy guys. But this is another one. This is not best of Michel. 77 center back guys. What's that? What's this guys? Konami. Yeah. Konami. Let's try another one for the last time. Let's try last time. Our last luck with our last chance. I have coins, but I don't want to waste my coins because let's try guys. I'm not sure if I can get an epic. That's why I don't want to spin. Guys, I don't want to spin. Let's go. What the fuck? What a fuck. Guys, let me show you now my squad. I will spin another day. This is my squad, but